What's going on YouTube? This is Cardano Wizard here, bringing you another Cardano and cryptocurrency video. If you haven't seen my last video, we are very close to hitting 100 views, so go ahead and check that out. I talked about how Cardano might potentially hit $58 here in the future, so let's go ahead and dive on in. As of right now, I will go ahead and refresh. The markets are doing really good at this time. We have finally got over $1 trillion market cap again for the total cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's sitting at almost half a trillion, 448 billion, and Cardano is coming in at 17 billion and 52 cents. Just seen a high of about 52.5 cents, I believe I saw on crypto.com. So all the market right now is pumping right now over the last 7 days. Bitcoin being up 20%, Ethereum being up a whopping 50%. BNB up 21%, XRP up 20%, Cardano up 22%, Solana up 36%, and Polygon up 71%. It is leading the charge over this last 7 to 10 days. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our first story for Cardano. So, market wrap. Bitcoin breaks above 23,000 as investor fears recede. So, why I said we're going to take a look at some Cardano news is, well, this affects Cardano. So, as we can see, the fear is receding. Well, what happened the last time we were in high fear? Prices shot up. So as that fear starts to turn around, it is a very good chance that we could drop back down, especially with our GDP numbers coming out here in about 9 to 10 days on the 28th of July. So BTC Bitcoin finds support at 20,000, shrugs off the possibility of a 1% rate increase for now. So again, that percent number will be coming out on July 28th. They will be having their meeting July 26th and 27th, and we will finally be warned of what the Fed hike is going to be, and also if we are truly in a recession. So, per the CEM Group's FedWatch tool, which calculates rate level probabilities for a specific point in time, markets are predicting a 66.8% chance that the FOMC raises interest rates by 0.75, so 75 basis points, on July 27th. Of note is that 7 days prior, that probability stood at 92.4%. Moreover, the probability of a 100 basis point increase, or 1%, in rates moved from 7.6 to 33.2%. An increase of 100 basis point would likely be received as a bearish for crypto prices. So again, that could bring those prices right back down to those lows of 17,000 for Bitcoin, 42 cents for Cardano, $1,000 for Ethereum. So only time will tell. So we do look at the charts. In my past videos, I have drawn again how we were in this bear pennant. It looked like we were going to make a touch, our first touch, and then come back up here and testing this. As of right now, we have finally broke past it. We are on the hour charts. Most likely, it is going to, I'd say in the short term, come back down, probably retest, and it could go up, depending on how liquidations, shorts, and longs are going. I think a lot of people think that the markets are going to continue to go up. With that being said, I could potentially see it come crashing back down. Maybe not all the way down to 20,000 support, but possibly coming down to about 21.5. So probably right there in that middle spot, especially right before we get into our numbers here. Go ahead and close that. Especially once we get closer to this line. Again, that's July 28th. So very important date coming up here in about 10 days by the end of July. All right, so this last story is about Cardano. So in my last video, we talked about a $58 Cardano. Check that video out if you haven't already. And if you've enjoyed the video so far, go ahead and like and subscribe. I've already doubled my subscribers since the last video. See if we can double it again. So the Cardano price to end year at the USD at 63 cents. Increasingly bearish panel predicts. So yes, that might be a bearish price value for Cardano. However, from where we are now, that is still a 20% increase. So if you are stacking ADA or any crypto coin right now, and you are to see a 20% increase, that's huge gains. Normally the stock market only sees about 7% every year. So, panel of crypto industry players surveyed by comparison. Website Finder.com has predicted that Cardano's native token ADA could reach 63 cents by the end of the year, a significant downgrade from their previous prediction. So we're going to talk a little bit more about what their previous prediction was. So the prediction also marks a significant downgrade for the price of ADA compared to a prediction from January of this same year, when Finder.com's panel said ADA would most likely finish this year at $279. So approaching all-time highs for Cardano. But now they're only saying it's going to be up to 63 cents. I say 63 cents is probably more likely. The latest forecast is also much more bearish when looking further into the future. In January, the panel predicted ADA would be at $8.18 by the end of 2025. So that would be our next bull run. And $58.04 by the end of 2030. So potentially leading up to the next bull run after 2025. That compares to the latest prediction of $2.93 by the end of 2025. So it went from 8 down to 3. And $6.54 in 2030 compared to their $58 value. Now again, $6.54 isn't the best value that everybody hopes and dreams for Cardano to reach. But $6.54 from the price value of now is over a 10x. So it's a 10 to 12x from now. So again, they are seeing a bullish future. Maybe not as bullish as it was before, but any value in between that is also going to be extremely bullish and great for anybody that is buying right now. Now again, I'm not telling you to go out there and buy. I am buying. I'm not giving any advice. But you can clearly see what the experts have, their predictions for Cardano here in the future. So if you've enjoyed anything we've talked about today, go ahead and like and subscribe. Let's see if we can get the subscribers up to 8, possibly even 10. That would be awesome, guys. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, go ahead and check those out. And I will see you all in the next one.